Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn lead lists for outreach workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Sales Navigator section if you have a premium subscription. If you don't have Sales Navigator, consider upgrading to access advanced lead generation features. Once in Sales Navigator, click on the Leads tab located in the top menu. Select Saved Leads to view your existing lead lists or create a new one. To create a new lead list, click on the Create Lead List button. Name your lead list according to your outreach goals. Add a brief description if necessary for better organization. Now, begin adding leads to your list. You can search for leads using filters such as industry, location, and seniority level. After applying the desired filters, browse through the list of potential leads. For each lead you want to add, click the checkbox next to their profile. Once you've selected your leads, click on Save to List. Choose the lead list you just created or an existing one for organization. Repeat this process until your lead list includes all desired candidates. After creating your lead list, it's time to export it for outreach. Look for the export option, typically found in the lead list settings. Choose the format you prefer for exporting, such as CSV or Excel. Follow the prompts to download the file to your computer. With your lead list downloaded, open the file to review your contacts. Ensure that all relevant information, such as names, job titles, and emails, is included. Next, prepare your outreach workflow by selecting an email outreach tool. Import the lead list file into your chosen email outreach tool. Set up personalized email templates that align with your outreach goals. Schedule your outreach sequence based on your desired timeline. Monitor your engagement metrics, such as open rates and responses. Adjust your approach as needed based on the performance of your outreach. This process will help streamline your lead generation and outreach efforts on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.